Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn cash fast in Jailbreak on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First thing you want to do is be criminal. Criminals makes money way faster than police. So when you join the game, tap criminal and escape prison as fast as possible. Next, start with easy robberies. On iPhone, the gas station and do not shop are the best at the start. They are quick, simple and don't need any tools. Rob them over and over to get easy cash. After that, move on to big robberies. Focus on the bank, jewelry store and museum. These give the most money in the shortest time. Always look at the robbery icon on your screen so you know what's open. Very important tip, don't die. If you die, you lose time and miss robberies. Drive carefully, avoid cops and don't rush too much. If you are playing with friends, rob together. Team robberies are faster and safer. One person can watch for cops while the others collect money. When you earn more money, upgrade slowly. Don't waste cash on skins or spoilers. Spend money on vehicles that help you rob faster. And that's it. Follow these steps, stay calm and you will be earning cash fast in Jailbreak. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.